Back inside Prudential Center here in New Jersey. Canes and Devils tonight. GlaxoSmithKline has the goaltending matchup for the Hurricanes. It's Cam Ward. He has started 12 consecutive games. He's coming off a 34-save performance and a 4-3 overtime win over Atlanta on Saturday night. Johan Hedberg in the place of Marty Brodeur, who was injured Sunday in Montreal, had 14 saves second period on in that victory over the Canadiens. The referees tonight are Gord Dwyer and Dave Jackson, Lonnie Cameron, Dan Shakti on the lines. Direct clear that time by Volchenkov. A loose puck turning. Sharkov, Tedenby. Now Jason Arnott for Matthias Tedenby. Back out to center ice. Dug out by Sharkov. He'll cross. And the play is whistled dead. A skirmish in neutral ice. And a penalty will be called.
Yeah, I think that initially I thought it might be on Carolina because New Jersey had the puck, but I think the referee just had a split second before he recognized that Jersey was in possession. So it, yes, will be the second penalty to Volchenkov of the night and the second Hurricanes power play. It's going to be an elbow on Zach Boychuk right at the Carolina blue line. Let's watch it right here. Is it an elbow? Oh yeah. Ooh, it was the back official. That's a dangerous hit. Boy, Zach's had a couple here. He had the one from Colby Armstrong Thursday in Toronto. That's a bad hit. And you know, if you have the one referee system, I think that goes undetected. It was the trail official that makes the call. And Volchenkov would like to have that back.
Jeff Skinner, Tuomo Ruutu, Eric Staal up front. Here comes Skinner. Jeff Skinner with a shot. They score! Skinner finds a way. The Hurricanes get a power play goal from Jeff Skinner and take a 1-0 lead.
Well, you know what you do when you didn't have a shot in the first power play, even if it's on the rush, you shoot. And I think we're going to see here that Skinner may have noticed that Johan Hedberg thought that the Hurricanes were just going to establish possession and he wasn't square to the puck. No, he's square, he's just deep. And Andy Green can't get his stick out like he did a couple of times defensively in the first period because that driftwood is on the ice. That driftwood actually is a key part of the play. And I have to think in the back of his head, Hedberg thought with the power play that Skinner from a reduced angle would just hold on to the puck and
throws it back for Colin White. His shot looking for a tip. Jason Arnott, they score! Matthias Tedenby alone out in front. And the Devils have tied it.
What a feed. What a feed. And Tedenby has the offensive, I think, upside that we've heard so much about. Let's watch him here. He's at the tops of the circles and watch him slide in here. Corvo vacates the front of the net and you have a low forward Dwyer and Gleason that just can't get back there in time. And I think Joe thought he was going to have more support than that. Otherwise, he would have played it like a 2-on-1 where he's responsible for the pass. Jason Arnott, what a feat. I have to think that Tedenby used the art of communication to call for that.
Nicely by Staal. Walking the line is White. Hammered by Staal, blocked in front. They score! Jeff Skinner, right place, right time. Another power play goal. Carolina up by 1.
What a shift by the captain. He wins this draw and you could just see his battle. Look at that there. I think he just outwills Zubris, and White does a great job of moving the puck to the middle, and Eric Staal didn't just stop at winning the faceoff. He goes back to be a shooting support outlet for Ian White. You've got a 2-on-2 that, quite frankly, Skinner and Eric Cole just win the race in front. And Skinner takes that puck off his skate. Another example of a smaller player that...
Here he comes. Over the line, walking in, going wide. His shot, fought off by Ward, rebound. They score! Nick Palmieri. And the Devils have tied it.
Where the Hurricanes got caught in sort of a mass line change, and that allowed Kovalchuk to come up the ice with speed. They still did a pretty good job of widening the angle of the shot, and it just seemed to come off of Cam Ward's midsection in a lively way. And Ruutu is the lone player there as the low centerman to try to swipe this puck away, and he just can't get there in time as Palmieri sweeps it high to the blocker's side. So, you know, that's the line change. You know how Cam Ward talks about being able to relax his body so he can absorb pucks.
Out in front through the goal mouth. 2 seconds on the clock. Here's Green wristing one wide. Each team has secured a point in the standings. We're tied at 2. Loose puck. Skinner. All the way across for Tuomo Ruutu. Crisscrossing with Ian White, who has it. His shot turned out by Hedberg. Now Travis Zajac for New Jersey. The trailer, Matthias Tendenby walking, shooting one. He scores! Matthias Tendenby wins it in overtime for New Jersey.
Well, the Hurricanes went for it at one end as Ian White jumped in. And you knew as soon as the lively rebound occurred that the Devils were going to have numbers, and they utilized it to their full advantage. And we saw in the form of 2 goals tonight that Tendenby has a bright offensive future here in New Jersey. It's his 7th goal of the year, his 2nd tonight. And let's take a look here. And you know, the Hurricanes, I thought, who had played a very, very structured overtime period. See, you have both forwards and Ian White caught. And I think Zajac and Tendenby knew that. So Zajac made a very smart play, just driving Gleason back and then giving it to the talented young Swedish forward. And Cam Ward, I think, was caught between when he was going to shoot and where he was going to. Maybe he would have liked to have taken a step out, but Cam Ward makes the save now in hindsight. The Hurricanes won't be happy with the outcome, but at least got him a point.
Final count, New Jersey 3 and Carolina 2 in overtime on the goal by Matthias Tendenby, his 2nd goal tonight. Our next telecast is Thursday night from Philadelphia. You can see it at 7 o'clock. Hurricanes Live comes your way from Newark right after this on Fox Sports Carolina.